Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can clear or delete search history in Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to delete or clear your search history in Google, all you need to do is simply tap on your Google account. So once you do this, you need to tap on your profile, which is on the top right hand side of the corner, and there you can tap on search history. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find the delete option. So once you tap on the delete option, you can now select a slot to delete. Like you can delete the entire search history, or you can custom the range and delete as per your preference or feasibility. So by doing this, you can delete your search history in Google Lens. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.